Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a video on Sky editing using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to go to the video and then create new project. And I'm going to add video I want to edit. For example, I'm going to choose this video. I'm going to put something on the sky in this video. But wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. I'm just going to click on fit. Okay, and then we're going to go to the PIP. Okay, and add the video you want to put on the sky. For example, I'm going to add video from my download album. I'm going to add this video guys. And I'm going to put this video on the sky like this. You can zoom in or zoom out, it's up to you. And then I'm going to remove the background of this video. If we want to remove background, we can go to the cutout. Okay, and you can either choose cutout or chroma feature. If your video is green screen, I recommend you to use the chroma feature. But here I'm going to use cutout. Okay, now the background has been removed from the video and I'm just going to make it bigger like this. And then we can go to the mask and then select this mask. I don't know what it is called, but just select this one guys. And then we can adjust the feather like this to blend the video with the sky. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And this is the final result. Okay, I think the video it's already looks good. And actually you can put other objects to on the sky, but I'm just going to put one object on the sky. Okay, and if you want to export it, you can click on export and then you can choose the resolution and click on export and the video will be saved to your device. I'm just going to export it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a video on Sky editing using InShot video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.